This is the best way to preserve this treatment that I'm going to show you how to make. You can preserve it for as long as you want without it going bad, and you always have your treatment to use anytime you want to use. Are you suffering from dandruff? Is your hair not growing thick? Are you having problem with your hairlines? Like, just keep watching this video to the end, because this treatment has really helped me. I tried it once and now I can't stop using it. Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to another hair video. How are you all doing? So guys, what I have here is rosemary. Guys, rosemary is loaded with lots of benefits for your hair growth. So I just finished my 2 weeks rosemary water challenge, and guys, the result I got was so amazing. I was able to grow 2 inches in just 2 weeks. So I decided to make the rosemary water again and added 2 other ingredients to make it more powerful. And the 2 ingredients I use, as you can see in the video, is carrots and fenugreek. Fenugreek is a great source of several vitamins and minerals, which includes vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, iron, and zinc. These nutrients help to nourish and strengthen your hair follicles. It helps to strengthen your hair and stimulate hair growth. It prevents hair loss and promotes thicker hair. And carrots, guys, carrots is super great for healthy hair growth. Carrot is great for hair growth because of its high content of beta carotene, a powerful antioxidant. Beta carotene helps to protect the scalp and hair follicle from damage caused by free radicals. It helps to nourish your scalp and promote healthy hair growth. It also helps to promote thicker and longer hair. And carrot is also very great for growing back your edges, and also it helps in stopping itchy scalp. So guys, after adding the 3 ingredients, I went in with hot water like you saw in the video, and I'm going to let this sit overnight so that the fenugreek, the rosemary, and the carrot can do its magic and release all its nutrients into the water. So I'm going to set it aside, and the next day I'm going to show you what it looks like.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
So guys, this is what we have the next day. You can see the water is looking more concentrated, and the fenugreek has doubled in size because fenugreek tends to double up when you soak it overnight, or when you soak it for some hours. It's just going to rise, and this is what we have, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and strain this to get the water which we're going to be needing. I'm not going to be throwing away this chaff. I'm going to definitely blend this, and I will show you in another video what I use it to do. So make sure not to throw away these particles, okay guys? And if you've watched this video to this point without clicking on that subscribe button, what are you doing? Please kindly join the family by clicking on that subscribe button, and do well to turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to other naturals who are looking for related videos.
Lions gonna come, the birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
So guys, one question I always get from you guys is how to preserve your DIY hairspray. So that's why I decided to show you guys today. All you just have to do is to pour them inside your ice tray, and leave it in your freezer. It's going to stay there as long as you want. So all you just have to do is when you want to use it, depending on the volume and length of your hair, you can take like 1 or 2 cubes and put in your spray bottle. Once it melts, you go ahead and use it. It's really that simple, guys, because I don't use preservative for my DIY product, so I always preserve my spray this way and it doesn't go bad, and it's always very effective even after leaving it for weeks. So guys, I put the remaining one back into my spray bottle and I'm going to be using it right away to show you guys how I use this on my hair.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
So guys, I made sure to apply the spray all over my scalp, my strands, my edges. Focus more on your edges, like your problem area. If you're trying to grow edges, focus on your edges. Make sure you apply a generous amount on your edges and go ahead to give it a good massage. Just take your time to massage your scalp, guys. Massaging your scalp is very essential because it helps to promote blood circulation, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth. And this next stage is where I feel a lot of you get it wrong. You cannot use a spray, guys, without going ahead to use a sealant to seal in the moisture. If you're using just spray, your hair is definitely going to dry out. So always go in with your hair butter or hair oil to seal in moisture. And as for the hair butter I'm using, I actually made it, but I'm still editing the video. I'm going to be posting it soon, so do well to turn on your post notification so you'll be notified when I post that video. So that's just all about this application, guys, and make sure not to wash out this treatment. Repeat this treatment twice a week. Bye guys.